Hello dear students, today we are going to see class 7th English 1.6 in a class of their own English workshop. Question number 1. Read aloud the two conversation in this part. A. Between Mrs. Desai and her students. And students said, "Are you angry with us, madam?" Mrs. Desai said, "No, not at all." Sushmita said, "But you don't feel proud of us anymore?" Mrs. Desai said, "No, Sushmita, you are my student and I will always want to be proud of you. Come on, now let us go back to our studies. Take out your books." B. Between Asmita and Snehal. Snehal said, "Did you notice what Desai ma'am said, Asmita? She said, 'I will always want to be proud of you.' She didn't say, 'I am proud of you.'" Asmita said, "What do you expect? So many of us fail, so many miss the test. How do you expect her to be proud of us?" Question number 2. Say whether the following sentences are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones and write them down. A. There are both boys and girls in this class. This is right statement. B. They never quarrel. This statement is wrong. And the right one is sometimes they quarrel. Next, C. Their teachers never shout at them. This is wrong statement. And right is their teachers shout at them. D. There was no unity among the students in the class. This is wrong statement and the right statement is there was unity among the students in the class. E. Sushmita spoke to the teacher in a low, soft voice. This is right statement. Next, Asmita is telling us their story. This is right statement. Question number 3. Discuss the following questions. A. Why does Miss Desai's class like her? Answer. Miss Desai's class likes her because she is proud of the class in spite of the things that teachers worry about. She likes their unity. She addresses them respectfully and lovingly. Question number 3. Discuss the following questions. A. Why does Mrs. Desai's class like her? Answer. Mrs. Desai's class like her because she is proud of the class in spite of the things that teachers worry about. She likes their unity. She addresses them respectfully and lovingly. She was sorry for their poor result but didn't scold or punish them. She still wanted to be proud of them. The class liked this kind attitude of their teacher. Next question. Should Mrs. Desai have been angry or unhappy? Answer. Yes, because students of her class did not do well in the test and some of them had not appeared for the test. Next question. Use the information to make meaningful sentences using the following adverbs. A. Always. I always study in the morning. Second, I always sleep at 10 p.m. B. Regularly. Sentence. I regularly brush my teeth twice in a day. Second sentence. I do my homework regularly. Third word is sometimes. Sometimes I help my mother in the kitchen. Second, sometimes I eat ice cream with my family. D. Never. Sentence is I never lie to my parents. Second sentence, I never go out with friends without permission of my parents. You may also make any other sentences using these adverbs. A. Always. First sentence, the bees are always busy. Second, I always see an old lady in Hanuman temple. Regularly. We take exercise regularly. Second sentence, my father attend parents meeting regularly. Sometimes. Sentences are sometimes my mother prepared dahi vada at home. Second sentence, sometimes the electricity in our area goes off. Never. He never makes mischiefs in the class. Second, we are never late to school. Question number 5. Write the following words in the appropriate places to complete the following tables. Itself, herself, myself, yourselves, ourselves, yourself, and himself. I, myself, we, ourselves, he, himself, she, herself, you, yourself, you, yourself, it, itself, they, themselves. Question number 6. Say the alphabet A to Z. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Divide them into groups of rhyming letters. Question number 6. Say the alphabet from A to Z. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Divide them into groups of rhyming letters. For example, Q, U, W are rhyming letters that ends with the YU sound. Did you find a rhyming letter for each of the 26 letters? Answer. No other letters rhyme with each other. Language study. Make a collection of collective nouns. An army of ants, a flight of birds, a howl of fish, a shoal of fish. Next, a choir of singers, a band of musicians, a crew of sailors, a troupe of artists or dancers. In this way, today we have completed the English workshop of class 7th English 1.6 in a class of their own. Dear students, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.